Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in cement white pearl, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style LED headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with high beams and turn signals, of course. Those dots on the front bumper are front ParkSense parking sensors. There is the adaptive cruise control sensor, and there's 2 fog lamps as well. And there's even a camera in the grille here. Beautiful Chrysler logo, very sleek styling, aerodynamic design. The Chrysler Pacifica is running on 20-inch Falcon mud and snow tires with plenty of trail in there. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors have chrome on them, and they are breakaway. And they do have blind spot radar. So if there's a car in your blind spot and you try to change lanes, there's a light right here that will flash to warn you that someone is in your blind spot. And these are heated mirrors as well. Chrome on the door handles as well. This does have the proximity key fob. Here's the driver's side door panel, storage down below with a cup holder, nice leather padding here for your arm to rest on, a little storage spot in the middle, power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. All 4 windows are automatic. This does have driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets, and by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. And this has the Harman Kardon premium audio sound system. Absolutely amazing. Push this button right here, the mirrors fold right in. So if you need to park in a tight parking spot, you can fold the mirrors in so you can fit better. And then when you come back out, you can press the button again and fold the mirrors back to where they used to be. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support, leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Chrysler Pacifica. And there's a panoramic sunroof up above. Fantastic. And if I want to use the Stow-N-Go seating, you do need to move the seats forward all the way so you can open up the cover completely. So I'm just going to move this driver's seat forward all the way. There you go. Fold down armrests here for the front seats. This does have a leather wrapped steering wheel and is a tilt steering wheel as well. Automatic headlamps so you can set it and forget it with dimmer knobs there, and there's a directional air vent right here which you can close and open. And this nice stitching on the dashboard. This is a power sliding door. Just go like this and the door will open up right before your eyes. I love it. There's armrests for the middle row seating area, and you easily flip them up if you're not going to use them. There's LED interior lighting throughout, reading lamps up here, directional air vents throughout. Rear climate controls are just over there, and there's more reading lamps as well. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat with hooks so you can hang up bags. Down here, there's 2 cup holders and a storage area. And this does have entertainment screens built into the backs of the seats. So I can just lift this up here. There's so much built into these screens. If you have children, they'll surely be entertained. They can play games, watch movies, and so much more. It is locked at the moment, but you can unlock it and you can use it. Same with the other side here. Boom. Play games and everything. You know what's really cool is that if you're playing games, people can play against each other. Like tic-tac-toe, you can play against your friend on the other screen, which is really cool. And there's a USB port, HDMI connection, and headphone connections as well. There's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat too with hooks. Press this button right here. That will move the driver's seat up furthermore so you can fold the seat down into the floor. So all we gotta do, look at that, still going. All you gotta do is pull this little flap right here, fold this up like so, Boom. Go over here, pull this handle, backrest folds forward, pull the Stow-N-Go flap, and give it a little push down to the floor, and it's in the floor. Pull this back down like this, and it is in the floor, out of sight, and gives you more space to haul bigger things inside this Chrysler Pacifica. Absolutely amazing. There's a handle right here, so your passengers can easily get in, and there's one on the other side as well. Let's pull this handle again, and the door will shut back. That's where we put gasoline inside the Chrysler Pacifica. The dots on the back here are rear ParkSense Parking Sensors, rear window wiper, backup camera. This does have a power liftgate. Put your hand down here, push it, and it opens up right before your eyes. Sweet. And fold the rear seats down. It's very easy, it's all power. Just go over here. You can choose whether you want the left or right sides to fold down, or you can have it set on both. Then you just go stow like that, and now sit back and watch the action. I like it. Then all you gotta do is just give it a little push, boom, and a boom. Love it. Look how much space there is with the seats folded down. Absolutely amazing. And there's a vacuum built in here, so you can vacuum up messes, and you can empty the vacuum down here. There's also a 12-volt DC power outlet, and there's buttons on both sides of the rear seating area that your passengers can use to recline the rear seats forward and backwards. 2 cup holders and a little storage area there as well. There's also a curtain that your passengers can use. If they don't want the sun in their eyes, they can just do that. And it easily comes right back down. Press the normal button again, and the seats that were folded down will come right back up to where they used to be. And there's hooks so you can hang up bags as well. Then all you gotta do is pull the headrests back up. Just like that. Absolutely amazing. Press this button on the left side, you'll hear a few beeps, and the power liftgate will come right back down right before your eyes. Excellent. Same with this side, just pull this handle here, it goes down, pull the Stow-N-Go flap, it folds down, give it a little push, just push it right down into the floor, just like that. Then you can pull this back over, and it'll lock right back into place, which is fantastic. There's also heated seats for the middle row seating area, and the buttons are on the doors right there. Pull this handle, and the power door shuts right before your eyes. Absolutely beautiful. You can unlock all the doors and lock the doors using the passenger door handle, like the driver's side door handle, as long as you have the key fob. Storage down below, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, leather padding, Harman Kardon logo, great style. Passenger seat is fully power with lumbar support as well. And there's a lower glove box here with some goodies in there for you. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents you want to keep in there. And there's a directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Chrysler Pacifica right now. This is the proximity key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. You can open up the power sliding doors by pressing one of these twice. Left side, right side. You can open up the power liftgate by pressing that button twice. And you can remote start the Pacifica just by pressing this twice. The doors will lock, and then the Pacifica will start right up. Boom, just like that. And there's a nice Chrysler logo on the back. It looks very nice. Hit the unlock button. You can keep this key fob in your pocket, or you can put it down below in one of the cup holders, or in that little storage area down below there. Put your foot on the brake down below. Go over to the side here and press the push button, start button. That'll get you past the remote start system. The tachometer, the speedometer, the driver information center screen in the middle looks very good. This Chrysler Pacifica only has 9,557 kilometers on it. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. Vehicle info area tells you coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, tire pressures for all 4 tires, and back to the coolant temperature. You have your driver assist area right here. Fuel economy lets you know your fuel range, your average liters per 100 kilometers, and you can reset that very easily just by holding the OK button right here. Very nice. Oh, and it also tells you current liters per 100 kilometers. Fantastic. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. Trip B has never been reset before, so you could be the first one to reset that, but you just hold the OK button here and you easily reset that. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case the Chrysler Pacifica wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. You have a speed warning you can set up here. And back to the digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this Chrysler Pacifica, I'll let you know in the top left corner which door on the Pacifica is opened. Nice Chrysler badge in the middle here with, of course, that horn is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Here you can turn off and on the adaptive cruise control and you can adjust it. Fantastic. Bluetooth controls right here. You can answer and hang up on calls by using those buttons here. And this also has voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancel.
Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific road station just by using your voice. And this has a rotary style gear shifter. If I throw the Pacifica into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And in the middle of the screen here, that also shows up the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. So if you get close to an object front or behind you, I'll show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object. And there's multiple camera views, which is super cool. So you can look straight behind you, you can look in front of you. Look at that. Is that amazing? I think so. And there's guidelines, so if you turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. Excellent. Electronic parking brake. This does have active ParkSense. This van will park itself, which is amazing. You turn off the ParkSense parking sensors by pressing that button right there. This does have LaneSense. There's traction control, tuning knob, browse button for your audio, back button to help you guide through your system here. Hazards, turn the screen off. You don't want to look at it, touch with your finger, it comes back on. Volume knob, mute button. Here you have the 3-zone climate control area with the auto feature, which allows the Chrysler Pacifica to adjust your climate control for you. But right here, this will control driver and passenger. And you can adjust your fan speed by turning this knob right here. And you can adjust where you want the air to go by pressing that button. Fantastic. Down here, there is a cell phone holder, a USB port, and auxiliary port. Blu-Ray Disc Player. Put in a Blu-ray disc and people in the back seat can watch a movie. Here, there's a large storage area. That's a change holder as well. Down here, there is a 12-volt DC power outlet and a USB port. There you go. Put whatever you want down there. Little storage compartment here in the middle. Awesome. Fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors and convenience lights so you and your passenger can look at yourselves whenever you want. And these are breakaway sun visors, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's a sunglasses holder up here. Interior lighting is LED, of course, and these are LED reading lamps. You can open up the doors by pressing these buttons. Open up the power liftgate. Open up the Panoramic Sunroof by using those buttons there. And you can close the cover in case you don't want people to see out of it. And using the touchscreen Uconnect system right here. You can see that you can easily direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. You adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed, adjust volume, and so much more. Access to a mini map, connect to GPS navigation right there. Presets up above, holdable in the box with your finger. You can easily set a preset. AM, FM radio, and Sirius XM tells you the song and the artist that's playing in the middle of the screen. Media button here, so if you have something in the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected, go here and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Heated and ventilated seats up front, heated steering wheel. You have your headrest fold button here, so you got headrest for the rear row seating area. Press the headrest fold button, and it folds the headrest forward so you can see out the back window better. And of course, you have access to your surround view camera. Uconnect app showing you everything that you have. Touchscreen climate control here. Go rear climate and you can control the rear climate, which is fantastic. And you can sync and unseat the temperatures and adjust where you want the air to go. Access to heat and ventilated seats and so much more. GPS navigation area, view the map, gives you a great view of where you are, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map, and you can even like move the map around. Menu, put an address. I'll show you how to get to where you want to go, switch up points of interest. Bluetooth area, pair a device, make hands-free calls, play music off your Bluetooth devices, and you can pair more than one device. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard, directional air vents in the middle, piano black styling touches. It's absolutely gorgeous. Be sure to come check it out sometime soon. It's the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in cement white pearl, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood. Whether you're driving it or just riding in it, it's an absolute blast. There's so much built into this vehicle. It's actually quite amazing. Step into the future with the Pacifica at Crosstown Chrysler. I'm man David, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.